Hey y'all, it's Chanel. Oh man, I'm looking for a new nickname. I don't know what I think I should call myself. Anyway, I'm watching SpongeBob right now, but I'm gonna give y'all a tour of how I usually do. So I'm living in Butler Hall, and y'all, oh my god, I used to think Butler Hall was so gross. But now that I'm staying here, it's not as gross as I thought, but, you know, it is what it is. I actually do like living here than all the other places. This one's not so uptight, no drama, and I love not having any drama around me. So, I'm leaving the tour right now. First of all, this is my roommate's side. It's all neat. And this is our fridge. Neat and everything else. But you know, our fridge look like doo-doo. But we're not going to talk about it. And if you come over here, that's my roommate's closet. And that's my closet. You probably would have known that anyway, so. I like looking at myself in the mirror. I'm so hungry. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I don't know what I want to eat. Any suggestions? Anyway, and then my closet is so packed. Y'all know I love clothes. Everything is so packed. Oh my gosh, it just has, like, it's not even all of it. But everything is still neat, and I can get to it. I just have a lot of shoes. But no, I got my air freshener for my closet. It's vanilla, and I love vanilla fragrances. Oh my gosh. This is Michelle Obama on the wall. I love her. I still have that picture since freshman year. And still have some things. This is my bed. I just have some stuff under there. Yeah, something is showing from my dresser, but oh well. And everything's watching SpongeBob. You know. This is some Marche collection. We have a thing for jewelry, and since I can't really set everything up like I wanted to because it's a very small, cramped room, you know, I love this because this is it dries my nails. I'm very neat, and I like things to be big. I'm glad I have that trait and that character. Blinds are up. It's a very sunny day in January. I love SpongeBob. Anyway, look what my niece and my nephew drew. My nephew Akali made this for me. Can you read what it says? That's my homegirl's Temptations marathon she ran. And she always, you know, she loved doing marathons, so she did a great job that day. And this is my niece's picture she made of me. She was 4 when she made it, and it shows a lot. And I can't explain it, but it's still cute. So anyway, I guess that's basically it. This is everything. So, later.